Just now, and actually I intend just now to speak Indonesian also, but I'm shy because it's the first reason also because I'm from English speaking club, and also the top leader and the chief of committee are using English to speak, so I'm shy to use Indonesian right now. So I said to myself that I don't care whether you understand or not. Yeah, I don't care because I'm sure also most of you comes from English speaking club members, or comes from English speaking club organization. Even though we have also the guest from MA Mualimat, is MA Mualimat, right? Yeah, MA Mualimat, but I'm sure that my sisters who comes from MA Mualimat also understand what I'm talking about, even though incompletely in using English. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling great mood for this morning because I still remember in the previous year when we conducted this program, the anniversary of ESE. At the time, as we know that the chief of committee is Mr. Idham, thank you so much, that the first time we celebrated the anniversary of ESE, and Alhamdulillah, I say thanks to the top leader who are conducting also the anniversary of ESE again. And I hope, of course, for all the boards in the next, of course, to conduct the program like this again, and continuously always conduct this program, the anniversary of ESE. Ladies and gentlemen, the members of ESE, especially in organization, in the moment when we are celebrating our anniversary here, it's not different when we are celebrating our birthday. Yeah. For a guy, we are celebrating our birthday, but for organization, we are celebrating our anniversary. These organizations actually was built by the faith, by the sincerity, by the passions, and the continuously things. So Maulana Sheikh always say this to every organization where he is at the time. In ESE also, ladies and gentlemen, all boards, all members of ESE, we have to own our faith. The first thing when we want to build our organization, in every organization